Welcome to Bunnex Investment Group. This is the last gold trading strategy you ever need. If you make sure that you understand, you grasp every concept and be able to replicate everything that I will say, you are good to go when you are trading gold. So this strategy works well on gold, and here's the reason for that. Gold moves fast and covers a significant magnitude in a small space of time. Unlike other pairs who actually spend days in consolidations, but gold actually, yes, of course, consolidates, but it actually moves quickly and moves fast. So this allows realization of profits quickly and grow your account fast. I understand that a lot of people have small trading accounts, and using of the micro lots will actually allow you to trade gold. Gold will actually give you profit quickly than any other trading pair. Of course, it can as well take profits quickly if you do not know what you are doing. So basically, let's dive right into how to trade gold. But before we do so, check out my free Telegram channel. I'll leave the link in the description box below and come back to complete this video. Alright, so gold is more than just a mineral. We say gold is one of the rarest minerals found both on earth and symbolically in heaven. In heaven, they say there is gold. There are streets of gold, and in my case, I actually believe it. It carries deep spiritual significance and timeless value. The same intrinsic worth applies when you are trading it. So this is why gold deserves respect. The reason why I'm actually highlighting this is you must respect it, trade it with order and discipline. We are not trying to be blue screen gangs when we approach gold. So don't approach it with chaos or recklessness. Trade it with the mindset of someone who understands its value and power. This should be something embedded in your psychology. We are talking of something that can give you a lot of money and something that can as well take a lot of money from you. So we need to approach it with order and respect. Alright, so here's the strategy template. We are going to be trading these type of patterns. A W pattern with defined TDI characteristics, or an M pattern with defined TDI characteristics. Anything other than this, we do not give it our attention. So basically, we want to trade these type of patterns only. So here are the tools that you are going to require for you to capture those patterns as I've shown you clearly and with ease. So basically, you are going to require the gold chart itself on M5. Why M5? Because that is where a lot of opportunities appear, unlike H1, H4, or other bigger time frames. We are also going to use our channel default EMAs, which are 5, 13, 50, 200, and 800 EMA. And we are going to use our traders dynamic index as always. Alright, so here's the explanation of the strategy. We are going to be trading this gold strategy on M5, and we are going to be looking for M5, M, and W patterns. These patterns or these setups are going to be like this. They must have a TDI pattern of leg 1 outside the bands. We are saying the first leg, or the first thing that you should see, is basically a shark fin before anything else on M5. So we are saying when you are scouting for an entry, your eye is going to be tied on a shark fin of the TDI. I'll show you what a shark fin is for the purposes of those who do not know. So first leg must be a shark fin on the TDI. When a law has been created, that law must correspond to a shark fin. Then after that shark fin, we are going to require a 513 cross within a move to the upside. So within that 513 EMA cross, we are going to reach a neckline of the pattern. This high, swing high that has been created must, and I highlight in bold, not be a shark fin on TDI. If this becomes a shark fin, it means the pattern is no longer valid. So we are saying the neckline must remain in the TDI bands for the pattern to be valid. So we do not want to see the neckline outside the bands. Then from the neckline, which is inside the bands, we want to see another 513 EMA cross for creation of the second leg, like this. And then the second leg must be inside the bands. We don't want to see the second leg outside the bands. It must be inside the bands. And this is the defined TDI properties. At candle closure above 13, that is where we enter on M5. Stop loss below the second leg. Alright, so let's now jump over the live charts. But before we do so, I want to show you one of the perfect, if I can say, the best emotionless trading system, which is the Stophunter Pro robot. So this can actually help you to pass prop firms. It can help you to grow your small account, practice proper risk management for you, and remove the trading emotions and psychology. It has a 50 to 60% win rate or accuracy. It actually turned 1,000 into 500,000 in 5 years of testing. This EA is actually a game changer. It is something that I am also depending on trading my funded accounts. Get your lifetime copy at $249 and you are good to go. Use the link that I've left in the description box below to contact me directly so that you can have your personalized copy. Alright, so here's the first example. We can see this is gold, and I've tried to take the examples which you can as well refer to. This is 11th of September 2025, which you can as well go back and check. So we've said your eye is tied on the TDI, right? We want your eye to be tied on these points, the TDI shark fin. When we say shark fin, we are saying the green line is going outside the bands and getting back inside the bands. These points, when the green line goes outside the bands, we want to actually be available. So in this case, you can see the first leg, which is here, corresponding to the TDI shark fin, and then the second leg is inside, corresponding to the TDI shark fin. We had 513 EMA cross, 513 EMA cross, and a candle closure below the 13 like that, and our market moved right into our direction. Another example we can see here, we've said your eye must see the TDI, right? So you may actually ask yourself, how can I understand which TDIs to take? I'll actually tell you shortly. So in this particular case, we had a TDI, 513 EMA cross, 513 EMA cross, candle closure above 13, and the market went right our way. Another example, we can see TDI, 513 EMA cross, 513 EMA cross, and the market went our way. There was a news spike, which is something that you should watch out for. All right, so basically, how do you pick the rightful TDIs? There is now what I call bias determination that requires you to understand the model of the market. Which market are you trading? Are you trading the trending mode market or the consolidation mode market? If you are in the consolidation mode market, what do you look for? If you are in the trending mode market, what do you look for as well? So that is why I am personally inviting you to my one-on-one mentorship. If you're serious about turning your trading into a powerful and sustainable source of income, this is for you. Use the link that I've left in the description box below. I only take a few students on a first come, first served basis. Thank you for watching, and check out our free educational Telegram channel via the link in the description box below. See you in the next one.